Let's dive into Object.create, a fundamental method for setting up object inheritance in JavaScript. It provides a straightforward way to make a new object that directly inherits from another existing object. Developers rely on this for cleaner code design when building complex object relationships. Under the hood, Object.create generates a fresh, empty object. It then internally links this new object's hidden prototype property to the object you passed in as the argument. This linkage creates a delegation mechanism where properties not found on the new object are automatically searched for on the prototype. It bypasses the need for complex constructor functions or the new keyword, establishing the inheritance chain instantly. You'll often use this method when implementing the factory pattern to create multiple objects sharing the same methods. It's also incredibly useful when you need a truly empty object by passing null as the prototype to avoid inheriting from Object.prototype. Now let's understand the code step by step. First, we define a base object called person which contains a property isHuman set to true. Then, we use Object.create to generate a new object me that inherits directly from the person object. Then, we access the isHuman property on the me object, which is found on its prototype. Finally, the output is true because JavaScript successfully looked up the property on the prototype chain. Mastering Object.create gives you deep control over object inheritance. Try using it in your next project.